Folks, just a quick video just to show you the latest. This is a commission. You can see wooden spoon making, here we go, survivor's kit. These are all all made out of wood. That's the inside to house the various parts. These are going to have leather straps on to hold the tools down. We've got hinges on the back. Excuse the camera work, I'm just like meh. Hinges on the back. Yeah, as you can see. It does the job. That's the oil that's squeaking. It stopped squeaking because I'm moving it about. But we just put in, gotta leave it about an hour to get the next coat on. But it don't look too bad. Wooden spoon making survivor's kit, and the tools that are going in this will be about 500 quid worth. Ouch. But there you go. We're going to be doing another video soon. The piece that I've just finished, but I'll just put this online so you can have a gawk, have a wee peek at it. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.